Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to remove some categories from your categorical variable while keeping the other categories. So in certain situations you will need this for your statistical analysis purpose. So in this example I'm going to use a variable called L grade, which means letter grade. And let me type tab L grades and hit enter. You see there are 7 categories in this variable. However, there's some problems with these 7 categories. So let's look at the code book of the survey data. So this question was asked to the respondents: during the past 12 months, how would you describe your grades in school? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 says mostly A's, mostly B's, mostly C's, mostly D's, and mostly F's. However, 6 and 7 categories, they are not actual grades, right? So 6 says none of these grades, and then 7 says not sure. So that means we do not need these 2 categories, because I was actually interested in understanding the effects of better letter grades in terms of influencing or reducing bad mental health and other social conditions. So these 2 categories not going to help me analyze that effects, right? So that's why I'm going to remove these 2 categories while keeping these 5 categories, A to F. I hope this makes sense. So how I'm going to do this in Stata? Okay, so now in Stata type drop if command, drop if, and then L grades equal 6, and then bar L grades equal 7. And this is the code that should do this. So drop if code and then your variable, and then equal 6 means if the L grade equal 6, then remove this category or drop this, right? So hit enter, and then 30 observations were deleted. And now, so let's see tab L grades again, and you see there are now 5 categories. So we have successfully removed those 2 categories while keeping others. In data management, this is an extremely important step that you might need for your research purpose, especially when you are dealing with categorical variables and the regressions that are dealing with categorical variables, like Wallace regression, ordered logic, and so on and so forth. So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.